What's up, guys? I am back, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over my dividend income for the month of April, and I received 11 paychecks. So currently, my portfolio is at $51,497.87, and I have a total market gain of $321.36, and I've earned almost $5,000 in dividends. I have $4,955.97. So let's get right into the topic of this video, which is my dividend income. Starting off on April 3rd, I received $5.24 from ADP. And if we go over to ADP, I have $926.33 in the stock. Overall, I'm down $25.01, which is strange because I've usually been up on ADP. And I realized when I created my new pie for my individual stocks, it completely reset all of my gains from before. So I'm actually positive on ADP. I'm not negative. But anyways, I have 4.18 shares at an average price of $144.16. And then next up, on the 6th, I received my last dividend from Jeppy of $28.01 to bring me at $33.25 of the month. And I'm just gonna say this right now. I sold Jeppy and BST, and I'll talk about that more in my next video. However, every single stock in my portfolio now increases their dividend. So I truly have a pure dividend growth portfolio. Now, if we go to April 10th, I received $8.48 from Merck, and this puts me at $41.73 for the month. I have $1,351 in Merck. I have 11.61 shares at an average price of $73.69. Next up, on the 14th, I received two dividends, $9.57 from O Realty and $2.32 from one of my newer stocks, MDT or Medtronic. And I have $2,335 in realty income for 37.52 shares at an average price of $63.49. Then if I go over here to Medtronic, I have $309 in this stock, 3.4 shares at an average share price of $79.45. Now moving on to my next payday, April 17th, I received two dividends from FRT and Stag. I received $14.92 from FRT and $6.98 from Stag. And this puts me at $75.52 for the month. So I have just under $1,350 in FRT, Federal Realty Investment Trust, for 13.81 shares at an average share price of $80.08. The next up, I have Stag, which I have a little over $1,900, and I have 56.95 shares at an average price of $31.83. And if I check Stag, this is actually my true gains. So for Stag, I've actually gained $96.86 and a lot of dividends, $168.58 for Stag. It's one of my favorite real estate stocks. And then on the 25th, I received $1.02 from Dollar General. And that's about the only thing you'll get for a dollar at Dollar General. And this puts me at $76.54 for the month. And I have $381 in Dollar General, 1.73 shares at an average price of $230.66. So I am down on this stock, $12.24. Now we come up to the last payday of the month. I received $22.13 from Mo Altria Group, $14.04 from AMT. This is my first dividend from American Tower Corp. And then I received my last dividend from BST of $25.01. And this puts me at $137.72 for the month. And as you can see, I have a little over $1,100 in Ultra Group for 23.54 shares at an average price of $42.17. And then if we go to American Tower Corp, I have just under $1,800 for 9 shares at an average price of $215.98. So let's go over to my dividend growth chart. As you can see, here's April, $137.72. And April is the first month in the second quarter. However, if we go to the first month of the first quarter, January, you can see I earned a lot more money, $181.68. However, since January, I sold a lot of my REITs that weren't paying me or that weren't growing their dividends. For example, BXMT, I received about $27.36 from that stock every single month. So that is a huge cut in my dividend income. And of course, there was the dividend stock good that decreased their dividend by 20%. And that's actually right here. I earned $17.35 in January. So once I saw that, I decided to cut all of my REITs that weren't growing their dividends. And that's why I replaced my REIT section with AMT and DLR because both of these stocks grow their dividend every single year. And then over the next 3 months, I decided, you know what? I'm just going to get rid of JEPI and BST because they don't grow their dividend. And I want every single stock in my portfolio to grow their dividend. So with that being said, unfortunately, when we get to the first month of the third quarter, which will be July, I will no longer be earning $100 minimum every single month. I should be below $100 for July. However, on the third month of every quarter, I'll receive probably over $300 in dividends. I'm really looking forward for my next SCHD dividend. In fact, let's see where I was. So last time I received a dividend from SCHD, I received $55.62. However, since then, I have more than doubled my shares in SCHD, and I currently have, let's see, 197 shares in SCHD. So I am expecting a huge dividend once we get to June of 2023. And if SCHD keeps doing what they always do, my dividend in December should be massive, like even more, because I'm just continually putting money into SCHD until, let's go to my main portfolio. I'm putting money into SCHD until this actual percent, 27.7, gets to 65%. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.